Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy Murray TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications anytime we upload videos like these. Yeah, definitely I gotta be the first to know. And in this review, we definitely have a lot to talk about because the unruly boss Popcaan silenced all rumors and speculation regarding the thump in her face. People who don't want to miss that. It also revealed that Popcaan and her next unruly member no good. And that unruly member is no other than Quadadan. The same man when Popcaan and Not Nice did in the little Ray last year, Quadadan did come out and say Popcaan I'm God.
Papa Skull make sure say the whole of we known. People know our brother. A man when we live for that brother dog. You hear me dog?
So I wonder what going on now. People, stay tuned for that. But before we talk about that and more topics, we are going to kick off the review under vibes. We are going to kick off the review with some tracks. A long time I don't do that something, you know. So people, just go on all the vibes and bounce to some music. We soon forward back for getting at the mix up and drama.
These streets don't love nobody, don't love no one. Being on me and sometimes I'm bad. This is me, I come from that journey aside. No longer for fine comfort of people, yeah.
Burn up, wealth. Do it boy, do it boy. Do it we a do it boy. Rich we a do it boy. Do it boy, make money and a joke boy. Link up, be a money make uno. Link up, be a money make. Every time I get a text or a call a money make. Oh, link up, be a money make a death.
So people, the first song I play was from Advi and the song is entitled These Streets. I'm not telling a lie, that song is well bad. People, when me say that song is well bad, I mean you need to go check out that song like right now. The song talk about the struggles where you have to face in a life for make it where you want to be. And for the youth them, we could roll out and go take the shortcut. We know say you never can relate to this song because you never go through the real struggle in a life. You take the mucky route. But people, on a big man level, this song is not the featured song for this review. So we have to go talk about that song at a later date. But me still want to get familiar with the song. So what me I go do, me go leave a link in the description. You just go over there and make him know say Chaddy Murray TV send you over there. And tell me if you like it too, honest opinion.
People are some know full moon. The dog them not the pen right. Wish them the road for live some better life. Breed some girl and have some youth and teach them what is right. Even thugs need love. Left the ups in the third to done none.
So people, the next song was from Hitmaker featuring DeMarco and it's entitled Dope Boy. And me I tell you, this song will put you in a spending mood and spend out where you not have. So you have to listen with caution. But then again, you figure a party with the rent money. And when you hear Dope Boy play, you spend out your money and now you don't have no rent. And a Hitmaker fault, a your fault. You want to be a floss and feel like you're a dope boy. Load that to Hitmaker and DeMarco. People, wanna go and go check out that song as well.
Millions per week and a per annum. Snap the finger bag of girls and the birds are come. Dope boy, oh boy, man a firm column. You see him boom up on my feet to all the world around.
So if you dare pay attention to the review, by now you don't know say the featured song is from KQ entitled Link Up. Now people, that song yeah, just put you in a whole different mood. Me guarantee you, if you're sad, you're gonna get happy. Alright, watch your style you know. Watch how me I go prove it to you.
Link up, be a money make uno. Link up, be a money make. Every time I get a text or a call a money make. Oh, link up, be a money make a death.
Right now, me just prove my point. Cause me know everybody where did I listen that a while ago, I move some part of them body. Maybe them a move them hand, maybe them on them head, maybe them a move them foot. Me no know, but something a move. Because that's the effect of this song right here. So like how me catch you know. Give me a little like pan if you then man. And make sure say wanna link up over KQ6 page.
Change for me neck a jip. Have them girl in my bed that change gear stick shift. Oi! He fly quick. I saw the boss do it dark. Cause the 6 don't itch.
Hold on. Me did for mention too that he's also a 6 artist. Me not think so. Una smarter than that. Una hear the artist name, KQ6. I wanna think. 6 real. People, go and go check out the artist, give the artist some support. And me I go leave a link in the comment section or in the description. So me about me I go pin it. If you are watching on Instagram, I am going to add the artist in the comment section. Or probably in the description again. Somewhere about. So go and go check him out. And when you link up, make him know see a Chaddy Murray TV sending you over there. Alright?
Link up, be a money make uno. Link up, be a money make every time I get a text or a call a money make. Oh, link up, be a money make a death.
So people, now we get the bills out of the way. Make we go in some mix up and some drama. It was alleged that ex-unruly member cause Tom Popcorn in him face. Now people, cause Popcorn afford from long time. Whatever happen, them nah deal again, them nah link again. Me do a review completely on that. Me I go put it in the comment card above if you are watching on YouTube or if you are watching on Instagram or Facebook. Just browse the previous video. You will see it. Popcorn get punched in him face or something like that. Me title it. But right now, Popcorn come out and sing a different song. Popcorn come out and sing a song say, "Not like that no go on. I could have never in people a talk about get thump in a face. You mad?" So people, Popcorn made a tweet and said, "Thump who in a face and nobody not dead?" with a laughing emoji. But hold on, before me go further, Popcorn, you have to mind that threat something upon social media, you know. Remember say feds end upon the media and you want a man within a one altercation and him end up dead. And a tweet like this can use as evidence. If you understand what I mean, and almost you do the man nothing, but the man can just drop at the time, and then yeah, go say yo and nobody not dead. Just know way I do on the Twitter. So right there and then, Popcorn clear up the whole thump in a face. Him don't clear up say him and cause no good, yes or no, which we know say him and cause no good. We don't need lamp to see that, but him clear up that. But people, remember in the intro, me tell you say Quada and Papi no good. People, Quada unfollow Papi on the Instagram, or likewise Popcorn unfollow Quada than Panagram. So none of them now follow each other. And the other day, when me did do the review about the thump in a face, you know, one particular comment that really stands out, and it was the Quada than comment. Because me I say, if Cuz and Popcorn are good, me know how Quada stay. Quada now go over Cuz page, go comment, unless him and Popcorn are good himself, as in Quada and Popcorn are good too. And people, right now me in the middle of the review, I'ma just go look over Cuz page because me did want to verify about the Quada comment, or when did comment and say, which him comment and say real G. But we not talk about that. Cuz change him name from Unruly Cuz to Cuz Music. Me not think you want it clearer than that. That bright as day. Jano Star, the artist them fall out. And it is so ironic, you know, because last year, round about them time, yeah, Quada Dan say, Popcorn I'm God. A matter of fact, Quada Dan went as far as say, him owe Popcorn him life. We are going to play the clip.
When I get contract, I'm going to tell you say I get contract. When I up a God and you ask me what I go on for my career or my contract, I go, why certain things not go on in my career? Oh, this not go on yet, oh, that not go on yet, brother. You see me? Make you know straight, say, yo, I don't know nothing about no contract, nothing. Just I hold it with my God. Loyal, same way. Humble, brother. Never skip, no line. Never ball, never complain to nobody. They are going like say, yeah, young man, we go around Papa's skull and feel away. No man, enough man there around Papa's skull. And if we have a bad day around Papa's skull, all we never go on a life, but brother. Because Papa's skull, that Papa's skull our goal. Papa's skull make sure say the whole of we known. People know our brother. A man when we life for that brother, dog. You hear me, dog?
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. We're gone.
Link up, be a money make uno. Link up,
Be a money make every time I get a text or a call a money make. Oh, link up.